In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grab. If you're on an Android phone and want a reliable way to book rides or order food, the official Grab app is available on the Google Play Store, and getting it takes just a minute. Before we start, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, you're signed into the Play Store with a Google account, and you have a bit of free storage space. A stable Wi-Fi connection is best to speed up the download and avoid using mobile data. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your phone. You'll find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you have trouble spotting it, swipe up to view all your apps and look for the multicolored triangle icon labeled Play Store. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar right at the top. Tap the search bar and type exactly Grab, taxi, and food delivery. You can also just type Grab, but entering the full name helps you get to the correct listing faster. As results appear, look carefully because there may be similar apps or services. You want the official Grab app, which is published by the developer named Grab Holdings. That developer name is your best sign you're choosing the genuine app. It should also have a recognizable green logo, a high number of downloads, and strong ratings, which are additional indicators you're in the right place. Once you've opened the official app page by Grab Holdings, tap the Install button. The download will begin immediately. You'll see a progress circle or bar while your phone fetches and installs the app. The size can vary, so give it a moment. If the Play Store alerts you that you need more space, freeing up storage and returning to the same page will let you try again. If you prefer not to use mobile data, make sure you're on Wi-Fi before tapping Install. If you don't see an install button and it says Update, that means the app is already on your device and just needs to be refreshed to the latest version. If you can't find the app at all, it may not be available in your region or your device may not be compatible. And that's it. Open the Play Store, search for Grab, Taxi, and Food Delivery, select the official listing by Grab Holdings, and tap Install. You've now downloaded Grab from the Google Play Store, and you're ready to use it whenever you need it.